coming up. We're back in the TukTuk on very busy roads on the way to Weligama. We take the plunge and decide to have our first ever attempt at surfing, which it doesn't bode well when we're getting told off on sand, never mind getting to the water. For all that practice on the sand, can we actually do it?
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
So we're still on an elephant high after our safari this morning, which was just brilliant, the number of elephants we saw, and especially seeing the baby ones, and now heading back down to the coast and on our way to Weligama.
Turn left onto Colombo, Gaul, Hambantota, Weligama Road.
Without you, I never could have moved away.
Downtown Matale.
Matara. Yeah.
Can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again.
Okay, we normally do these videos just as we arrive, but didn't get around to it, so you're going to get what our room looks like when we've been living in it for a day, which is not pretty. Yeah, don't judge. Nice location. This is the top of the hill villa in, where are we? I lose track. Weligama, or near Weligama. So we've got a nice little balcony in the gardens, which is full of peacocks, and there's one very noisy monkey. This is our room, number 8. One mistake we did make when we were booking, we didn't check, and it's only a fan, not aircon, so it was a bit hot and sticky last night, but decent sized room, good mosquito net. As I said, bit of a mess. Got our little kettle there, so we have had coffee this morning. And you've got a decent bathroom, and the key thing is there is hot water. So overall really nice. Bit of a we went down to the beach when we got here yesterday afternoon and had dinner down there. Bit of a climb back up, as the name of the hotel would suggest, top of the hill. And they've got a restaurant here, so we could have eaten here, and they do breakfast, but we'll get something when we go out. Just had our first ever surf lesson on this beach just here. See, it's pretty busy with surfers. We were at this near end where the waves are a bit smaller, but boated pretty well, I think. Stood up several times, probably half a dozen times each at least, and a couple of long runs all the way in. You can see the guys in blue there, that was our instructor, so that's 2 more people just gone out for their first lesson. So we're just trying to see if they get on any better than us. They both nearly got up on their first go, so it looks like they'll probably be pretty good, but they are young and fit. There he goes. Be shouted out, stand up, stand up! Oh! No. We didn't manage to video any of us doing it because we were doing it, but we might come and have another lesson tomorrow morning. So if we do, we'll see if we can video a bit. Only if it's good though. Just had a massage and decided to drive up here to turn around and find this nice little bar, so thought we'd better have a drink just to see what it's like. Just chosen our fish and some prawns, so he's now chopping it up. Descaling it, and we've got a half kilo of prawns coming as well. So that's pretty cool. Did you fish? You come down in the restaurant, they'll bring the fish down and cook it for us, and hopefully we can get some other stuff to go with it. And you just eat it down on the beach. There you go, Jan's already in situ at the table. Right on the beach, lovely. Okay, first course has arrived. We've got half a kilo of prawns. A lot of prawns. And the other stuff's on its way apparently.
And some Vienna.
Oh, and we heard the ice cream van tune for the bread van, so we went and got some Fajela, Vienna, whatever they're called, some buns for the morning anyway, because we had them a couple of times, really nice, just bread with sugar on basically, but really nice. Fish has arrived. Probably need to shine some light on him. I know. I think it's red snapper, do we think? Something red or red mullet. Red something, it was. But he looks good. Remnant. Very good fish.
Very good fish.
Yeah, you probably can't see much looking up the beach. Down the other way it's full of restaurants. All doing the same thing, I think.
Just pulling up to our surfing bit. Surf school, and there's our instructor.
Okay, arrived at Sun in Surf School, the second day. Had a lesson yesterday, and we've got another one today, if there's any waves. So I'll try and get some evidence that we actually stood up today to prove to the kids that we can surf in our 50s. Lots of people out already. Lots of them standing up, coming right in.
It's like look forward, to front leg, back leg, on again. Yeah. One here, okay? One by one paddle. Paddle, your hand like here. Then up. The right, the left.
Yeah.
Okay? Your body not like this.
No.
In the back. You stay on the body like this and you jump to the wall.
Yeah.
Every time your body and the back.
Yeah.
Yes. And here, like on your stomach, like can be pushing and not like this. Like back. Okay? And like get lower and keep your hand.
I will try.
And look forward.
I will try.
Look forward, okay? You have the body little bit up. Up. Very good. This side, but your left side, the right side, right leg, and here, okay?
Yeah.
Front leg, side. You relax.
Yeah.
Side, get lower. Yes. And yes, keep your hand, look forward, okay?
Yeah.
Very good. This side, and down on the water, you want to relax. Okay?
I was better when I didn't rush. So when I rushed to get up,
Yes.
I fell off. So when I was
I will show you. One more time, like over there, okay?
Sorry? Yeah.
And then look forward.
Yeah. And low.
Only middle.
Only middle.
Yes, only not like this.
Yeah.
Not like this. He's saying the front leg, back leg on the rear.
Yeah.
Balance. He's saying
Yeah.
down to the wall.
Yeah.
Okay? Let me down only middle. Okay, my
Yeah.
friend?
Only middle.
One more time, let's go. Bit more back. Look. Don't look down. And now, this is your lower arm. One second. Back leg here. Relax. One leg here. Yes. And lower. Little. Yes. No one keep the hand. Then look forward. Okay? One more time again.
You look like you're about to be in the Avengers for the second time.
One by one. Yes. And look forward, okay? Yes. Stand up. Nice. One more.